want to touch it because that looks so cool. But now this storm will now be mentioned in the same breath as the March 2003 storm, where we had widespread 6 and 7 foot totals. But that was really this is the first time that we've seen widespread 4 and 5 foot totals since then.
This is probably the biggest storm we've had up here since then. Those guys are destroying all the work I've done so far.
Awesome.
Oh, I love the snow. I love the snow. It's just a little too much today. I looked out the window and I said, why did I even bother to shovel the deck and do the driveway 4 times yesterday?
It's well over 5 feet.
Absolutely love the snow. How can you not love this?
Hope we got a strong roof and hope we have a strong deck.
A lot of load on the roof. A lot of snow on the roof.
I've always said that if somebody moves to Evergreen and they go through a storm like this and they're still here the next year, they're really true Evergreen people, mountain people.
You know, if you don't like dealing with snow at all and you live up here, there's some sort of a disconnect going on because it's part of the territory.
One of the big differences between the 2003 storm and this time, back in 2003 we had very wet snow that actually caused quite a bit of damage. This snow came down very dry, very nice dry powder, which will soon be taking on some melting weight. In Evergreen, I'm meteorologist Corey Rippenhagen.